Welcome to my class admin. In this video, we'll see how to use video library module. In this module, you can share pre-recorded video lectures with students. You can even choose any videos from ample of online videos and can share that specific link with the students. These pre-recorded video lectures and the links can be shared with the students course-wise, batch-wise and subject-wise. So first, we have to log in. Then this home page will open. Then on the left hand side bar, there is the option of video library. Then we'll go to manage videos. Here, first and important step is to sign in with Google account. Here, enter your email ID and allow the permission. So now for adding the new video lecture, click on add new video lecture, give the name and save. Now click on this plus sign for adding new submodule under this main module. Give name to submodule and save. Here I am adding two submodules. So again same process, name and save. So now in the first submodule I am uploading the pre-recorded video lecture, and in the second submodule I will upload a link for the students' use. Now for uploading the recorded lecture, we'll click on upload. From video and URL option, we'll select the video option. Choose the file. The video lecture you want to upload must be available in your system. So choose the right video and click on upload. If you want to check that you have uploaded right video or not, then you can check here on view option.
And more about the process of germination. They are the epicodal. These are now you know a lot about germination of seeds.
Now we will upload the link. Again click on upload. Select the URL option. It will be helpful if the link is already copied, or you can type that specific link here. You can share any YouTube, Vimeo or Dailymotion's link. You can even share the link from the Google Drive. Click on upload. In the view option, you can recheck the link and its video.
As combustion to produce heat, and kerosene oil and paper are combusted in the air is necessary for the process of combustion. The paper does not attain its ignition temperature and harm those who are trying to put off. When iron is exposed to air, it gets corroded. Tremendous heat, light and sound energy. It is called an explosion. For example,
So now for publishing these modules, first we will publish the main module, then we'll publish these two submodules. For publishing the main module, we'll click on Unpublish button, then select the course, batch and subject of students with whom you want to share this module. After publishing the main module, we'll publish this first submodule of pre-recorded video lecture. Click on Unpublish button. We have already selected the course, so now select the batch, subject and publish period, means from and to date. Click on apply. If you want to allow the students to download the video, then select yes, and if you don't want them to download the video, then select no and click on publish button. We'll follow the same process for publishing the second submodule. Unpublish button, course, batch, subject, publish period, and we'll click on publish button. Now we'll see how the recorded video lectures and the links are visible to students. So first, student have to log in. Then on the left hand side bar, there is the option of lecture library. Here, click on main module, then other two submodules will appear. If student click on first submodule, then recorded video lecture will appear.
Germination of seeds. Germination is the phase of plant growth when the seed begins to sprout.
And if student click on second submodule, then that specific link will open.
Produces carbon dioxide, petrol, straw, such as straw, matching. You will observe that common fire extinguisher, the process is called rapid combustion.
This is how the student can learn easily by watching recorded lectures and from any given link. Now I am coming to class admin's account. Here the last option is archive. If you click on this option, then you can keep all these video lectures aside for the later use. And if you archive main module, then other submodules will also archive automatically. Click on yes. Now, where we can find this archive module? Then the answer is, look at this left side. Below the manage video and the video history, there is the option of archive. You can click on this option, then you can view and unarchive this module. Click on yes. Now we'll see the video history part. Here you will get all the information in detail related to video lecture. That the video lectures are created and updated by whom. These videos are published for which course, batch and subjects. You will also get the name of the professor who has created, published and archived these videos. You can even check the date and time for every performed actions. So after successfully publishing this video lecture, you can simply log out from the Google account by clicking on Logout option. Thank you.